Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And I've stopped apologizing for the temporary setup because I'm fed up as well. Let's just continue with the readings and not think about that. And my newbies, I welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Libra. Okay. Oh, center of my spread, I have a Knight of Swords in reverse. Some huge fight happened between the two of you, or conflict. Bottom of my deck, I have the Seven of Swords, Libra. Cheating, lying, fighting with the Tower in reverse. What happened here? Okay, so I'm going to now, okay, let me just see the cards first. So from what I'm feeling here, Libra, looking at the cards, somebody does want to rebuild after they've created a tower moment. They're now recognizing that this is my wish fulfillment. I want to end this fight, but the problem here is I have a Queen of Swords in reverse here who is ready. Who's ready with her sword saying, okay, if you come to me, I know we're going to have another fight, and this time I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. That's what at least they're fearing, because a lot of secrets have come out maybe about them or about something, and they're kind of fearing that my person is not going to trust me now. If I do go towards them asking, hey, can we, forget the fight now? I mean, this Queen of Swords is going to cut my head off now. They just want this, overthinking, the stress, this tension to be over. This is what they want. They want a Four of Wands. They want a happily ever after. They don't want to shut this chapter down with this Queen of Swords, it seems, but it's seeming a little dangerous. So let's see how they're going to manage, and why the Seven of Swords is here as our overall energy, which is like a sneaky person trying to sneak back into the good graces, but also sometimes symbolizes the liar cheater card. So let's see what's going to happen. So Libra, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of your cards. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Libra and their person spirit. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Libra from another deck. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Okay. And Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person. All right, good to go, Libra. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I can feel your frustration with not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down to get some thoughts flowing on paper to clear your head. This is almost like the Queen of Swords saying, yeah, I know you're scared to come towards me. So if you're scared to face me, why don't you write it down and just send it to me? I always thought we would get married. It all absolutely breaks my heart that you chose them. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. I think this card came out last time also for Libra. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, life, and soul, being a faithful and reliable partner always. So somebody probably cheated. Maybe that's why the overall energy of this reading is the Seven of Swords. I've always loved you and I always will. From the very first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were my eternal love. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close and I'm aching for you. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's ever happened to me. I want to hold you and never let go. Oh my God, so many repeating sentiments here. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Maybe that was the whole issue here. All right, Libra, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Okay. And the card I have here for you, Libra, is activist. Either somebody needs to take action now, Libra, to get out of their head, or maybe there is a few other Libra watching it. There is a lot of action coming towards you. Things are going to start moving at a very fast pace. So now let's see what these cards have to say. Okay, so Tower in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Tower in reverse? Why is the Tower in reverse here for Libra? Somebody wants to rebuild. Yes, this whoever the masculine is wants to take action. They want to take action. They want to rebuild. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Yes, they are holding on very strong even to the connection and the thought and the dream of their wishes coming true. They know that the person who's upset with them is their wish fulfillment, and they are still holding on very tight to that dream of theirs. They are even ready to apologize now, it seems. I'm ready to say sorry. I'm ready to say whatever you want me to say, as long as we can just end the fight now. Let's just end this fight. Let's rebuild. Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse, but they are lacking the courage, I guess, because they feel they haven't invested. They haven't see, the reason why they haven't approached yet is because they don't have the courage. Why they don't have the courage is because they feel, well, I never invested. What face am I going to go and say, hey, I want you to make me happy again? Somewhere they feel that their person has already gotten unstuck and no longer bothered about them, or their eyes are open now, their rose-tinted glasses are off now, and how am I going to do this? They worry that their person has now become the Queen of Swords in reverse, who's going to be very upset, very angry. They left this Queen of Swords out in the cold, where they should have offered the Ten of Pentacles. They knew it in their heart, but yet I think somebody left this Queen of Swords out in the cold. Now they want it, but they're feeling it's too late or something like that. Knight of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Why is that our central card here? Knight of Swords in reverse. They feel after this fight, this Queen of Swords has turned their back on this connection and is very upset and very angry with them. Why? Because some secrets came out, probably. High Priestess in reverse. Yes, that's really depressing them. They're feeling terrible about it, that, oh my God, maybe it was about third parties, I don't know. Maybe this Queen of Swords got to know about some cheating, lying thing that was happening with a third party. And that's kind of really depressing this person, that, oh my, but all my secrets are out now. How do I face my person? They're upset, they're angry. What should I say? How can I say sorry now? Eight of Swords in reverse. They still want victory. They still want victory. They are realizing now that they didn't do the right thing. Libra, this is your card, the Justice card in reverse, right? They are now realizing that they were sitting in a lot of ego, a lot of pride, maybe chasing their money, chasing their financials or whatever they were doing. And now they feel that this was all in my head. This is not something that really made me feel victorious. What really they want now is that happiness, that emotional happiness. They want the Four of Wands. Four of Wands, Spirit? Four of Wands. Yes, they want they want luck to favor them. They want the Wheel of Fortune to start favoring them again. They want to now go and speak their truth. They somewhere feel they're a little scared right now because they're feeling, as much as this person wants it, Libra, they somewhere feel that they don't deserve the love of this Queen anymore because they are recognizing, I put in no work. I steered this connection into the wrong direction. I fought with them. I brought in competition. I most probably have lost the biggest love of my life now, and they're feeling like this. They're feeling like it's all over for them. But the World card is still in reverse. Then why, Spirit? Why is the World card still in reverse? They feel the only way they can have another go around or to not end the chapter. Oh my God. This person feels the only way they can stop this chapter or the cycle from ending completely on them is if they go and offer commitment and marriage. That's what they're thinking. Am I right, Spirit? One more for the World in reverse. Yes, because they are very depressed. They are missing their Queen of Cups like crazy. This is the person who was the sweetest, loving, kind, generous, loving person. And they want to come out of feeling this sadness and depression, and they feel the only way they can accomplish that is if the only way they can stop this cycle from totally closing out on them is if they now offer everything. Hierophant and the Four of Wands. I mean, this has come out twice. Four of Wands, Four of Wands. This person is planning how to start a brand new cycle or not shut the old one, what they can do. Yes, they feel defeated. They feel all the mind games that I was playing with them, I became the loser finally because I lost my soulmate. So why was the Seven of Swords here, Spirit, as our overall energy? Why is the Seven of Swords here? Yes, they are trying to see things from a higher perspective now. They're trying to understand what they did wrong. They do want to heal this connection. They do want to fight for this connection. And my God, they want a re-beginning. This is like Judgment upright is, can we resurrect? This is almost like people coming out of their graves to have a rebirth. So they want a rebirth of this connection. The only thing is that right now they could be going back and forth in their mind as to how to do it, and the only thing that's coming to their mind is, well, the only thing I can do is go all out. Otherwise, I'm out. All out or out. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.